In this lecture, we will going to learn about relational algebra operations. The 5 fundamental operations in relational algebra are selection, projection, Cartesian product, union and set difference operations. Perform most of the data retrieval operations that we are interested in. Remember this point, we are going to implement all the operations using MariaDB server. So operations are divided into two types. One is unary and the second one is binary. Unary has two types. First one is selection and second one is projection. Binary has 4 types. Number 1 is set operations, join operations, division operations, and aggregate operations. In addition, there are also the join, intersection, and division operations, which can be expressed in terms of 5 basic operations. The selection and projection operations are unary operations, since they operate on one relation over table. The other operations work in pairs of relations and are therefore called binary operations. We will going to explore these operations one by one in our upcoming videos.